Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's Sai. So this is the reading for you. January weekly. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. Happy New Year to all. So let's see your messages and what's going on. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, guys. So let's see. Wow. You are juggling. Yeah, you are in juggling state. Taurus, because Two of Swords and Two of Pentacles is here. Definitely you have to make some decision, but you don't know which decision you have to make. There is a lot of juggling. Yeah, in past someone approached you, someone apologized you, some message. Yeah, they did something wrong to you. Maybe there is no commitment in past, but now they suddenly appears and want commitment with you, and they are ready to commit to you. They want to marry you because the Hierophant card with Ten of Pentacles. Definitely they want to offer stability, but I think you are in little confusion right now. I don't know which. I think you don't know which decision you have to make. Maybe you are concentrating on your career, Ten of Pentacles. Maybe you are investing your energy on yourself. I think you are indecisive about something. Okay, yeah, but someone is approaching for commitment. Maybe they apologize you for what they did to you in past, in recent past. Maybe they approached you. If not, definitely they will. And what's going right now? Two of Swords, Ten of Swords, and Temperance. Yeah, maybe they want rebirth in this connection. I think maybe you decided to end this. Maybe you are in some confusion state what to do. Yeah, you are taking your time. You want some healing, and you are achieving your balance, and you achieving some patience also, because the Temperance card is here. Temperance, yeah, definitely the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. Yeah, maybe you decided to end something, or you are taking some time to make some decision, because you are juggling Two of Pentacles with Two of Swords. And in near future, Six of Pentacles, the Lover, and Knight of Swords, someone coming towards you. Yeah, they are rushing towards you very fastly. And the Lovers with Six of Pentacles, there is love. I think you have also strong emotions for your person. You really like them, and I think there is no equal give and take in past, but now they're ready to offer equal give and take. I think this time you are not ready, what I am seeing here, but they are coming back. Yeah, you are at some crossroads. You are thinking about something, but you are taking your time, because you don't want to rush to take decisions, what I'm seeing here. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Gemini or Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and then your future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going on. Again, under the deck, the Lovers. Definitely there is love, but something is happened. Why you are thinking to take decision? You are at some crossroads. Two cards. Yeah, communication. They want to express their feelings to you. Definitely there will be back and forth communication between both of you in near future. Yeah, they want to communicate you. Eight of Wands and the Tower and the Empress. They see you as their Empress. Definitely you stand by your power, and this attracts them a lot. Because you are patiently waiting for the right time. You are patiently waiting for some signs from universe to make decision, and your person also undergoing some tower movement. The tower is there. I think for some there is separation or no contact between both of you, but your person rushing towards you. They want to express their feelings. I think communication, lot of communication is going to be happen between both of you, Taurus. Yeah, so let's see the near future actions towards you. Yeah, they're ready to commit to you. Yeah, there is no talking between both of you, and Wheel of Fortune definitely in divine timing playing key role in this connection, because Temperance and Wheel of Fortune is here. Yeah, the Hierophant, Princess of Pentacles, and Four of Swords, they may be spying on you. Definitely some messages coming in your way. Right now your person not talking to you. Four of Swords energy, they are undergoing some healing process, and even though they are thinking about you a lot. Four of Swords, yeah. I think they are going to be choose you. Maybe energy could be vice versa. You person may be at some crossroads, but they are going to be choose you if you are waiting for your person, because the Hierophant and Princess of Pentacles, definitely they are ready to commit to you. They want to marry you. Taurus, yeah, commitment is coming. Yeah, communication, apology, lot of communication I am seeing here. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Wheel of Fortune, I think divine timing plays key role in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Yeah, they're obsessed with you. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. Yeah, the Sun, definitely they want new beginnings. They want reconciliation if you're in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to marry you. King of Pentacles, definitely stability is coming. Commitment is coming. Yeah, they are obsessed with you. Maybe you scared about that obsession because you're feeling sometimes very dominating energy from your person. Definitely your person may be dominate also in this connection. Taurus. Yeah, separation, cold shouldering. Maybe in past they not treated you well. That's why this time you're taking your time. Maybe, yeah, definitely there are some trust issues what I'm getting here, because the Moon with Five of Pentacles, definitely in past they not treated you well. That's why this time you're not trusting them even though they're coming back. Yeah, because you don't want to invest your emotions and hurt by them again and again. That's why you are taking your time, you are holding back, because there is obsession, the devil energy is here. Yeah, you are taking your time. I think stability, I think there is some stuckness in this connection because you are taking your own time. Yeah, but they're coming back, but I am not seeing it is going anywhere because you are holding back, what I'm seeing here, Taurus. But their commitment is coming, stability is also coming. They are going to offer you, but it's up to you what to do, what not to do, depends upon your situation, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Ten of Wands, Justice, the World, Six of Cups. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation. Yeah, they're coming back for reconciliation. It's only up to you. And the World, this could be long distance relationship, and for some the same cycles is repeating again and again between you and your person. Thus create some resistance in the connection. And yeah, reconciliation, for some there will be reconciliation. And Justice, yeah, they're coming back for second chance. Maybe you cut them off past because there is no equal give and take. Maybe they are in and out of your life. You are feeling overburdened due to your family responsibilities or work pressure due to this relationship also. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Yeah, Three of Wands. Definitely you turn your back from your person. Definitely they are also waiting for the right time, and this could be long distance relationship. Yeah, stuck. They are feeling stuck because they are undergoing some healing process. Princess of Wands, lot of passion, communication, and Seven of Swords. Yeah, because why you are not trusting them? They're sneaky. Maybe in past they played games with you, but now for some they're really changing for you, but you are not trusting them because they did something big to you in past. Yeah, lot of air energy also. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also. Yeah, communication, but lot of communication, but you are taking your time. You are not in rush to make decision. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or Pisces or Gemini. A win-win outcome is forecast. Yeah, you are winning them back. Definitely you are achieving financial stability. Definitely you are now you already achieved, okay? Because 10 of Pentacles is there, and you commitment and stability is also coming in relationship, but it's up to you, because a win-win outcome is your forecast. It's your time. So which decisions you are going to be made, they are going to be best, because a win-win outcome is forecast, because you are taking your decision very carefully, what I'm saying here, because you are not in rush to make decisions. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.